Hello students, my today's topic is mensuration. In mensuration, you will learn about the perimeter and area of plane figures. When we talk about some plane figures, we think about their regions and their boundaries, and we need some measures to compare them. So let us start now. First, I will show you my animated video. Please watch it. Hello students, this is mensuration class 6 maths. Today we will learn about the concept of perimeter and area. Concept of perimeter and area, we will learn perimeter. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure. Sum of all the sides of a figure is also a perimeter. Idea of perimeter is widely used in our daily life. A farmer who wants to fence his field, a civil engineer who plans to build a compound wall on all sides of a house, a person preparing track to conduct sports. Perimeter of a regular shape. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of a equilateral triangle equal to 3 into side. Now what is the concept of area? Concept of area, amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. We can find the area of regular and irregular shapes. Area of irregular shapes, place the irregular shapes on a squared paper or on a graph paper. Now count the fully filled squares, half filled squares, more than half filled squares and less than half filled squares. Count more than half filled squares as a 1, count less than half filled square as 0. So you can find the area of irregular shapes. Area of regular shapes, area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Area of square equal to side into side. Unit of area is centimeter square or meter square. Now you will be able to understand the concept of perimeter and area. Thanks for watching this video. Now we will do some activity to understand the whole concept of perimeter and area. So let us start now. What is actual meaning of perimeter? So we will draw a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now we take a point on it, E point. These points start walking from point A to B, now B to C, and C to D, and D to A. Point E makes a complete round. So the measurement of sides AB plus BC plus CD plus DA will be the perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD. So its perimeter will be perimeter ABCD equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. The total length of four sides of this quadrilateral will be equal to its perimeter. Suppose AB is 3 cm, BC is 4 cm, and CD is 5 cm, and DA is 6 cm. So perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD will be 3 cm plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, and it will be 18 cm. The perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD will be 18 cm. Similarly, if FGH is a triangle and I is a point on it, now point I starts working from point F. He takes a complete round and reaches again on point F. So it takes one complete round of this triangle. So the sum of all the sides of the triangle will be equal to its perimeter. To understand the concept of area, now it is a rectangle and this is a circle. So the shaded portion is the area of this rectangle. Similarly, so the surface enclosed by a circle is called its area. The dotted area inside the rectangle is called its area, area of rectangle, and the dotted area inside the circle is called the area of circle. It means area is the measurement measurement of surface enclosed by a figure. Therefore, area is the measurement of surface enclosed by a figure. If you want to find out area of irregular shapes, now count the fully filled squares, half filled squares, more than half filled squares, and less than half filled squares. Fully filled squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So area will be, the 9 square are fully filled. So 9 plus, how many half filled square are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are half filled. So half of 4 is 2. Now how many squares are more than half filled? The more than half filled square are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 squares are more than half filled. Now how many squares are less than half filled? You will count the more than half filled square as a 1 and you will count the less than half filled square as a 0. The area of half filled square will be 0. Now total area will be 9 to 11 and 4, 15 squares. So approximate area of this irregular shapes is 15 squares. Now we will find the area of regular shapes. Let ABCD be a rectangle, and length of this rectangle is 7 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So it will be 7 into 4 equal to 28 centimeter square. Now we will change this rectangle into a square, and the side of a square is 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. The area of square equal to side into side. Therefore 6 into 6 equal to 36 centimeter square. Now we will do some practice question based on the concept of perimeter and area. So there are some figures with measurements are given below and you have to find the perimeter of the figure. Perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now AB is 40 centimeter, BC is 10 centimeter, again 40 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So the perimeter of the given figure is 100 centimeter. Similarly, you can find the sum of all the sides of the figure, so you can get perimeter easily. Now we will find the perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter of triangle equal to sum of all the side of a triangle is called its perimeter. So 40 centimeter plus 30 centimeter plus 30 centimeter and it will be 100 centimeter. The perimeter of triangle will be 100 centimeter. If you want to find out area of this irregular shape, area of leaf equal to, leaf is a irregular shape, so area of leaf will be, the fully filled square are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squares plus half filled square are, there is no exactly half filled square. More than half filled square are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. More than half filled square are 6, and you have to ignore all the less than half filled square. So the total area will be 13 squares. The next question is, split the following figure into rectangle and find its area. We will try to find the area of this figure. We will split this figure from here. Now we have split the given figure into two rectangles, and the measurement of these rectangles are, it is 2 centimeter and length is 12 centimeter, and the second, it is 8 centimeter the length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So total area of figure A, suppose it is a rectangle 1 and it is rectangle 2. So total area of figure A is area figure 1 plus figure 2. The area of first rectangle will be 12 into 2 plus 8 into 2. 12 to the 24 centimeter plus 8 to the 16 centimeter, and it will be, the total area will be 40 centimeter square.